centrioles and not-coding DNA during the emergence and evolution of bilaterally symmetric complex organs, computational models. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The origin of complex biological symmetric structures has long been a subject of interest and debate. How new sophisticated structures arise, perfectly meshed together, and added to pre-existing organs without breaking their anatomy and physiology remains challenging. A mystery is how endless amounts of new bilaterally symmetric organs, eyes, ears, limbs, kidneys, have arisen in an infinite number of species. Bilateral symmetry requires two different processes, genetic pathways, for arranging and driving cells in symmetric locations in left and right structures. It is unsustainable that two different genetic codes, independent of each other and assembled by chance, have simultaneously arisen for every organ in millions of different species. Many findings have evidenced that DNA tandem repeats and centrioles are involved in morphogenesis, suggesting they have played a role in the evolution of shapes. In the absence of experimental data, given the structure of an experiment, it may not be possible to perform it. Computational models allow to simulate experiments in complex systems. This paper introduces computational simulations to test and ascertain whether DNA tandem repeats, centrioles, and centrosomes can manage and accelerate the evolution of complex organs and bilaterally symmetric structures. This study focuses on the origin of new DNA sequences that, in turn, cause the evolution of genetic codes and, ultimately, the emergence of new shapes. The present paper follows an interdisciplinary perspective that combines biology and computational modeling to understand cellular behavior across species, underlying the similarity between programming and cellular procedures. From several points of view, cellular developmental processes and computational linear algorithms seem to share the same Boolean logic algebra. The integration of programming codes, tandem repeats, centrioles, and centrosomes provides a potential framework for investigating fundamental morphogenetic processes. In conclusion, this study is a pioneering attempt to ascertain, in the evolution of complex organs, the possible role of TRs in counting cell divisions, and the centriole-centrosomes' role in translating genetic codes into correct 3D spatially planned directions. Introduction. Dogs have evolved into over 400 breeds in just 150 years, showing an astonishing variety of sizes and shapes, from tiny chihuahuas to huge Great Danes, yet they all maintain perfect left-right symmetry. Traditional evolution theories struggle to explain both the speed of change and the strict balance in body plans. Recent studies point to tandem repeats, short stretches of DNA that repeat over and over, as a possible driver. These repeats mutate far faster than ordinary genes, providing lots of raw material for new traits to emerge quickly. Changes in tandem repeats near genes that control form seem to underlie the wide range of dog appearances, while always preserving bilateral symmetry. Beyond dogs, similar DNA repeats appear to act like biological counters in many animals, ensuring cells divide the exact number of times needed for correct organ shape. This internal counter works more reliably than chemical signals alone, explaining why body parts grow with remarkable precision. The same concepts help clarify how symmetrical structures form from inherently handed molecules inside cells. Simple computer models show how repeating DNA patterns can guide cell divisions and body symmetry, offering a fresh framework for understanding development and rapid evolution of new forms. Conclusion. This study explores two unlikely heroes in shaping complex body parts, repeating stretches of DNA called tandem repeats, TRs, and tiny cellular structures called centrosomes. TRs are short DNA sequences that copy themselves over and over, and they mutate far more often than regular genes. Because of this, they may act like built-in counters, helping cells know exactly how many times to divide so organs grow to the right size and shape. Meanwhile, centrosomes, pairings of barrel-shaped centrioles, organize the cell's internal skeleton and guide cell division in three-dimensional space, ensuring that left and right sides remain perfectly mirrored. Although these ideas may seem speculative, recent computational models and emerging experiments lend support. Studies show that changes in TRs near important genes can influence physical traits in animals, and removing centrosomes in simple organisms derails normal development. Together, TRs and centrosomes could form a precise, internal system that counts divisions and directs growth paths, offering an alternative layer of control beyond the classic chemical signals. By simulating these processes on computers, researchers can test how TR, counters, and centrosome architects might work together to build complex, symmetrical organs. Such models open new avenues for understanding development, evolution, and why life's designs are both robust and remarkably precise.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.